Once you're logged on to the Headquarter website, sign in with your username and password. After you sign in, the first page you will see is a dashboard that will show you an overview of all the features that are in Headquarter. Let me take you through the navigations. At the top left-hand corner is a hamburger button, what people would like to call it, because it looks like a hamburger. Tap on this to reveal the left menu. At the top of the menu, you're able to see accounts-related features such as settings, account, fund transfer, as well as transactions. Scrolling down, you're able to access the rest of the applications and features that are in Headquarter. Let's talk about the account page. At the account page, you're able to see your subscription as well as your expiry date. Scrolling down, you're also able to view the store value that you are able to use to send physical postcards to your clients as well as your contacts. Should you run out of value or need to top up, you can choose from any one of these schemes to top up your credits.